Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 12 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. This is very beautiful launcher. This launcher is very functional, and maybe that's it. So it's beautiful because here we have the icon packs, and here we have category bar, and we can use our main menu like categories. And in this mode, as you can see, we have contacts, internet, games, media, and utilities. It's all we have. Cool. On the second place in my top is Niagara Launcher. In this launcher, we have only our home screen with beautiful wallpapers, and here we have the main menu. And if you want to find any application, you can do it in one move. For example, Play Store. Move your finger to P button. I don't know, Gallery. Move it to J, and that's it. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. In the Microsoft Launcher, we have alphabetical line. In alphabetical, we have alphabetical line. We have the search. We have voice search. We have Bing search. We have hidden apps feature, and we have the glance panel. In glance panel, we can set all our widgets, and then we don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.